Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up G3 AIO for the first time. So to begin, you'll need to choose your language. In this case, let's go for English United Kingdom. Next is to pick the region, and here I'm also going for United Kingdom. And the keyboard layout. Also, or actually, let's change it to Polish programmers, yeah. And we can add the second layout. If you want, you can do it by clicking on add layout right here or skip it. Here you can agree to Windows 10 license if you want. If don't, the setup is basically finished and you can turn off your PC, but for real, read the license if you want and click on accept. Now we can add Microsoft account to our device, but it's also possible to skip it, and I think usually we had the option to just skip it like that, but in this case let's click on learn more. Maybe next without giving any information. Maybe we can go back. Okay, so to do this, I think we'll need to disconnect the internet connection from our device. So let's do that real quick, and then we'll be able to make the setup without connecting to the Microsoft account. Just like that. Go back, and here, as you can see, we can actually create just an account without any Microsoft stuff. So let's name it hard and click next. Then you can begin and set up the password. To skip it, you can leave it empty, and let's do that. Let Microsoft and apps use your location. Say yes or no. Let's go with no. Find my device, no. Send only required diagnostics. Here, improve inking, no. 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 You can let Cortana help you with the things, and not now. You can go and accept if you like. Okay, so the setup is finished, and as you can see, our Windows is all configured. We can begin using it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.